So unfortunately, there is a lot of women out there, I have discovered since training, that don't believe in themselves. They don't have a high enough self-esteem to what I think they should have. And when they come into my training, it actually gets me down because I look at them and I think that they're amazing and they're brilliant lash stylists, but their own thought process actually stops them from progressing even more, because if they don't think they're good, they're going to charge like they're not very good. So maybe they'll just charge $50 when they should be charging $150 or $300. So please make sure you're charging appropriately for your level. Usually for most salons, even if it's a home salon, the absolute minimum per hour that you need to be bringing in is at least $70 an hour. If you're bringing in less than $70 an hour, I hope you don't get offended when I say this, but you should think about working for someone else, because if you're only charging $50 an hour, you're not really getting $50 an hour. You might be getting $10 or $15 an hour, because you just don't show up for an 8-hour day and go away and not work on your business when you're at home. So make sure you're bringing in enough money. When I first started, I'm not embarrassed to say this, but I actually used to charge $35 for refills and $50 to $70 for full sets. So back then, no one taught me about pricing. I didn't really have anyone's website that I could actually check in Australia, because no one else was really doing it. I think there was maybe 2 salons, and I think they were $300 for a full set, and because I wasn't sure of myself, I was charging super low prices.